Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, Casual Chef Kielbasa Stir Fry. The morning mise en place. Just before the live broadcast. If you'd like to watch the broadcast, just follow the link in the post. Just after prep. The evening mise en place. Heating up some oil in the wok. Add the kielbasa and start to stir fry. I remove the kielbasa and set it aside. I add the onion, the ginger, and the garlic and stir fry. I add the carrots and continue to stir fry. I add the bell peppers and the chili flakes and stir fry. And then I add the zucchini and stir fry a little bit more. Then I reintroduce the kielbasa. I add the sauce and stir it in. I add the udon noodles and get them stirred in. And here's the final look in the wok. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.